Unboxing and review. I have here a Ryobi 10-inch drill press. It has a built-in laser, integrated LED workspace light, tilting cast iron table, a half-inch chuck, 610 to 2800 RPM, and an induction motor, cast iron base, adjustable depth for repetitive drilling applications, and a rack and pinion table height adjustment. There's that. And oh wow, I can't even read that. It comes with the drill press, hex wrench, chuck key, and operator's manual. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while now. I just never thought of it every time I go to the store. So I picked one up. It's been sitting on my bench for a year. So finally getting to it. A year later. Let me go ahead and unbox it, and we'll see what's in there and how this thing is packed. Let's cut a box open. Do not return to the store. This thing better work. Look at this. Some assembly required. No big deal. There's the table, work table. Let's see what we have here. This looks like the knobs, chuck key, couple of items, the owner's manual, all the good stuff's in here. A base. Ah, isn't that pretty? And we're going to call this a motor support shaft. I have no idea what it's actually called, but this is what it's going to be called today. Yeah. Glow in the dark lime. Look at this baby. Swing. I think I'm going to use the instructions for this one. I just took a look at the instructions. It's pretty well straightforward how to assemble this thing. Nothing too complicated. Start with the base. there's 3 bolts to hold this on. Let's see what the size bolt is. Hey, it's actually standard threaded. It's actually a standard bolt. Standard. It's not metric, is what I'm trying to say. Get in there. Man, they make these bolts long enough? Holy crap. Yeah, of course I installed it the wrong way, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and it has to be turned. This gear has to be on this side. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Well, yeah. Looking around for a metric Allen wrench. Now look over here on the table, there's 2 Allen wrenches. I bet you one of these will fit. There it is. What the hell is that bullshit? Oh, check it out. Well, as it turns out, I didn't need to go ahead and take this off and turn it around. All I had to do is just take this collar off, and the darn thing just falls off. So that's cool. I'm going to take that, put it over there. Take that, slip it down, I assume. After we go ahead and put the top on. Let me look at the instructions real fast. Yeah, it would only make sense to go ahead and put the work table on first. So what we do is go ahead and go like that. We take this guy, throw him through here. And then use the handle to hold it all in place. Let me go ahead and put this on here first. Come on. Catch on something, will you? Come on, fall. Come on, baby. You gotta put that gear section in to the hub first and then slip it all down on there. Huh. Really. And now I can go ahead and put the collar on. That holds it pretty secure. Nice. Let's get this head on. Yeah, I haven't seen the stop gauge. Yeah, we'll find it. somewhere around here. Should be a stop gauge. There it is.